Please scan the brand logo on the box or packaging. Indicate COVID-19 rapid antigen test kit detected. When you are ready, say or press OK Scanford to continue.
OK Scanford.
Take out the swab from its packaging. When you are ready, say or press OK Scanford to continue.
OK Scanford.
Tilt the patient's head back. When you are ready, say or press OK Scanford to continue.
OK Scanford.
Gently insert the swab about 1 inch into one of the nostrils until a slight resistance is met. Twist for 5 seconds. Repeat with the other nostril, using the same swab. Remove the entire cap of the buffer solution. Twist the swab in the buffer solution at least 20 times. Roll the tip of the swab against the inner wall of the solution vial to remove excess solution. Close the vial cap tightly. Remove the top half of the vial cap to expose the dropper tip. Take out the test device. Apply 3 drops of the buffer solution into the oval opening of the test device. When you are ready, say or press OK Scanford to continue.
OK Scanford.
Now wait 20 minutes. I am starting the timer for you now. Please scan the test device now. Your test result is negative.